Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Finschia token. Ticker symbol is Fnsa. Now this token is getting a couple brand new central exchange listings. We're going to go over the information on the Finschia token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this coin or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, Finschia aims to become the world's #1 blockchain ecosystem. So technically, the Fnsa coin is a coin and not a token, although you can use them interchangeably if you like. So Finschia aims to be the world's #1 blockchain ecosystem, leading the popularization of Web3 and securing over 1 billion users. Finschia is a public mainnet that is the successor to Line blockchain, independently developed and operated since 2019. Starting from the third generation mainnet Finschia, the Finschia Foundation has taken over the vision and mission of Line blockchain while continuing to move the industry forward. Fnsa focuses on the essentials of service growth and growing token demand, along with the principles of the Finschia token economy 2.0. So they call it a token as well. Some people are real sticklers about whether it's a coin or token, but even the company itself is calling it a token, but I digress. So they have a Twitter. I'm going to put in the corner of the screen over there. At Finschia on Twitter. Has a lot of followers, 37,700 Twitter followers. So I believe this token is already listed on Gate, so you can get it off of Gate. It's getting a brand new Bitmart listing starting today, December 14th, 5 a.m. UTC time. So there's a couple options right there. You could download Gate, you could download Bitmart if you don't have an account, and then open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search Fnsa, and then buy the token. So it's pretty easy to get it in all sorts of different ways. And also today it is being listed on Lbank as well. So 6 o'clock UTC time, December 14th, off of Lbank. I also believe I saw it on Huobi Global. It's got a whole bunch of different central exchange listings, but those are the two new ones today, is Lbank and Bitmart. So, Finschia was initially launched by Line in 2018 as a blockchain project, then evolved into the independent entity Finschia as part of the overall change to the Web3 ecosystem. And it was more than just a name change. Distinguished by 3 key strengths: zero reserves, integration with Line, and optimized for popularization, Finschia is aiming to establish a blockchain tailored for the real-world businesses and applications, with a vision to cultivate an ecosystem spanning over 1 billion users. So Finschia has been transparently issued without pre-issuance reserves or ICOs, which addresses a common problem in the traditional token economy. This communicates that Fnsa's avoidance of initial coin offerings prevents large quantities from entering the market and causing value dilution. This distinction enhances Fnsa's investment value and attractiveness in the market, setting it apart from tokens with indiscriminate circulation. Furthermore, Finschia provides network contribution rewards to validators and holders who contributed to the network through staking and delegation, Finschia allocates 80% of the tokens issued for those who contributed to the service and network, thereby creating a positive cyclical structure. We offer a wallet service integrated with the Line platform, ensuring accessibility to a vast global user base. Dossie's digital goods, represented by Finshia's NFT platform, support cash payments through services like NaverPay and Line Pay. Additionally, they are seamlessly linked to various applications such as Line Profile and Line Stamp. Finschia is 98% cheaper than Ethereum, 400 times faster, and offers finality identical to the block generation time. It also offers COSM, and a variety of development languages and supports interchangers and the Ethereum virtual machine, ensuring that the network is stable even when large applications are onboarded. So they have tons of partners, Marblex, Certic, they most likely have a Certic audit, Dossi that I mentioned earlier, SoftBank, Neopin, and yeah, it says more to come. Use cases with over 150 plus brands and services. So Finshia's collaborations with various partners are significant, like LineNext, Certic, SoftBank, Crescendo. Even before the public network transition has propelled Finschia to become a Web3 ecosystem leader. In Korea, top-tier companies such as CJENM and YG Plus are actively participating in the Finschia ecosystem, further expanding the usability of the Fnsa coin. Among them, Dossi, the core DApp of Finschia as a global NFT platform, has achieved the significant milestone of attracting 5.6 million users and facilitating over 530,000 NFT transactions. So the key statistics here, they're listed on 5 exchanges so far. They've had over 21 million minted NFTs, 4.8 million holders of NFTs, 240,000 NFT trading users. Their market cap right now is $194 million. They have 6.5 million Fnsa wallet users. Notably, Finschia has secured 6.5 million wallets and achieved remarkable success in the NFT platform. This has led to the establishment of the #1 NFT ecosystem in Asia. Heading into the public network launch, Finschia had a market capitalization of approximately 240 million, with 61% locked on the network. And that is in KRW, and that is 194 million USD. Finschia is currently listed on only 5 centralized exchanges, and yeah, maybe they're not even counting the 2 centralized exchange listings that just came today, so it could be 7 now. But you can find tons of information on this coin. Obviously, these blockchain projects have huge white papers. If you just go to their webpage, Finschia.network, you could find developer portals, documentations, resources, learning, governance, ecosystem, participate, all sorts of different sections you can click on. There's even more at the bottom of the page, including social. So check out their webpage, check out their Twitter there for all sorts of new announcements. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so one of you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And yeah, leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.